Hello, all. Welcome back. In this channel of this series, we are talking about Google Forms and why should yoga teachers like you and me learn Google Forms. And we will delve deeper into the implementation aspect. Yesterday, we saw the benefits of knowing the Google Form, why it is important for teachers to know the Google Form. So if you have not watched that video, go back to yesterday's video on YouTube or Facebook or LinkedIn and then watch it. Now, today we will get some hands-on experience. So to take that hands-on experience, I will now lead you to a page which I will show you right now. Let me share my screen. Okay, here is my screen. So what is the first thing that you have to do when you open Google Chrome browser, then type forms.google.com. And once you click here, press forms.google.com. Once you click that, you come to this page where you will see the first thing that you will see here is there are a list of forms here. If you want to change your account, you can also do that. You can move from one account to the other. In this case, let me choose this account, and here there are templates that are already available. And then the next thing that you will see is that there are forms that I've created earlier that are also available here. If for this first session, let us not use any template. Let me use a blank form so that I can introduce you to Google Forms. Once you open a blank form, after clicking a blank form, I will have to start working on populating this. Now, let me take a break and then explain to you what is this situation all about. I Diwali is approaching, and you may want to ask your students, do they want the yoga class on Diwali or Deepavali day? And you would want to collect that. One of the ways you could have done is that you could have asked people on WhatsApp whether do you want to come or not. When somebody will say yes, no, yes, no, yes, 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 and no, 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 all this will come. You will not be able to take a decision. And this way, Google Forms will help bring all the answers at one place. Okay. Now, with that being the context, let's move ahead and let me just show you how to go ahead and let me share the screen once again. So this is Deepavali yoga class. Yoga class. This is the name of the form that I am wanting to name it as. So valid email address will, so I want to check if you want yoga class on Deepavali festival day. Okay, this is the description. Now, the next question. So here, what I want to do is I want to collect their personal details. So let's say that I create a branch here. So this is section 1 where it is the main heading as well as the description. And in section 2 is where I am asking them some personal details such as detail section. In personal detail section, I want to know the name. Okay. And I want to add, so here I have added one field, which is name field, which is short answer. Let me add one more field, which you will know. So if I click press and let's say you want to collect their email address as well, then, sorry, email address is there at the top, phone number. Just look at the way in which Google beautifully selected this as a short answer. Yes, this will be a short answer. Now, for those fields which are compulsory, you have to turn this on saying it is required. So they will not be able to submit the form until unless they have filled this detail. Like name is compulsory. You need to know who has filled the form and who have said yes or no. You need the phone number. So these are two personal details under section 2. Now I want to create one more section after this section, and I press this one, which is add section. And this section is let me know your choice. Your choice. Okay, in this, let me know your choice section. I want to add one more question here, which says, do you want yoga class on Deepavali day? This is a question that I am asking, and the answers could be yes, or it could be no, or I am fine with anything, which is that if there is yoga class, I'll come and attend it. If there is no yoga class, look at it. The question is, do you want? And then Google has automatically chosen multiple choice. Now, and this is compulsory question. They have to answer it if they have come into the form. The next one is important. So let's say that they want a yoga class. For those who say yes, you may want to ask what time do they want yoga class. They may want to come up morning 6 o'clock and then come to your class. They may want to have it at 8 o'clock. So you will also check with them what time do they want the yoga class. Okay, so what I do is I click plus here, and let me just do one more section here. And then in this section, I say timing of the class. Timing of the class. And here, the timing of the class, I add a question. What time do you want to have the class? So the answer options are time, and it is a multiple choice. And I say 6 a.m., 7 a.m., or 8 a.m. These are the three options. Now you have given this, and then there is another section, which is thank you. So what we have done is we have created a form with 5 sections. The first section is the heading. The second section are collecting the personal details. The third section here is let me know your choice, whether they want yoga class or not. Now, there's one more complication that can be added, or automation that can be added. If somebody wants the yoga class, then only you want to ask them what time do they want the yoga class, 6 a.m. or 7 a.m. or 8 a.m. For somebody who has said no, then what you don't want to ask them the timing, because then you not want to thank them. So they have to come to section 5. So this is an automation that you can run. And today I'm teaching you how to do that. Right now, we have done this. And in section 3, based on after section 3, go to, so they have to decide, the algorithm has to decide that after this, okay, go to section based on answer. You have to come here after clicking the 3 dots. Okay. If the answer is yes, then they continue to section 4. What is section 4? Let me know your timing of the classes, section 4. If they click yes. If they click no, then you have to divert them to thank you page. Now, if they are saying I'm fine with anything, then you have to once again ask them the timing of the question of the class. So this is conditional routing to based on what choice they have made. Once you have done it, you have to now press send. And then once you press send, you have to go to the link. You have to shorten the URL. You have to copy this and then send it by WhatsApp for people, for your class members to fill that form. So let me revise what we did right now. We understood how to create a simple form, how to add fields, how will Google Form understand what field is it, whether is it multiple choice or short answer. Based on this understanding, right now we were able to create a form. In the next session, I will teach you how to go about further. I'll see you tomorrow.